Have you ever wondered how a browser stores your back button history? Or how people stand in a line at a ticket counter? That's exactly where Stack and Queue come in. In this video, I'll explain both concepts with real life examples and show you how to implement them in Java. Let's dive in. Think about a stack of plates in a cafeteria. You put plates one on top of the other. When you need a plate, you take the top one first. This is called LIFO, last in, first out. Now imagine a queue at a movie ticket counter. The first person to enter the line is the first one to get the ticket. This is FIFO, first in, first out. So the difference is simple. Stack, al, LIFO, last in, first out. Add like plates. Queue as FIFO, first in, first out, as like a line. Remember this. Stack is equal to backtracking, undo in editor's browser history. Queue is equal to scheduling, printing tasks, customer service systems. And that's Stack versus Queue, explained with real life examples and Java code. Which one do you use more often, Stack or Queue? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out my next video where I'll simplify another core concept of data structures.